In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step how to create flyer on Canva using just your smartphone. And I'm also going to show you two things that most people do not know. One, how to change your flyer size after you finish designing. Maybe you mistakenly pick a business flyer template, but you actually need it for Instagram. You don't need to start all over again, and you don't even need a Canva Pro for this. Two, I'm going to show you how to add watermark to your design for free. If this is the first time coming across my video, you're welcome. My name is Charity, and on this channel, I share practical tips on online businesses, digital skills, personal branding, and how to level up financially. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing you need to do, if you don't have Canva app in your phone, the first thing you need to do is to download the Canva app. If you're using Android phone, go to Play Store and search for Canva. If you're using iPhone, go to App Store and download it there and install. Open the app. The reason I'm choosing the business flyer size first is because I want to show you how to convert it to an Instagram post later without starting all over again. So you can see a lot of templates here, but we are going to start from scratch. So you click on create blank, and then I will change the color to this. So I still need like a white color in the middle. So all I have to do is to click on elements, then search for square shape. So once it pops up, so I'm going to click on this shape, this square shape you see. So I'm going to drag it, make sure that it's at the center, so that it will separate it from the other color. Then I'm going to click on this color you're seeing, then I will tap on white. So you click on text. The reason I had to choose add a heading text is because I want it to be bold, and I also want it to be in uppercase. So that is it. So guys, as you can see, I was trying to input the Naira sign, but I couldn't. After several trials, well, I was just like, let me just go to my WhatsApp. So this is me switching back to my WhatsApp, and then I'll go straight to Meta AI. Then I'll type Naira sign. So that's what I'm doing now. Then I'll send it. Then of course, AI gave me the sign, and all I did was to just copy the sign. That's what I'm trying to do now. Head back to Canva, then I tapped on it. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Then I paste it. So that's it. To drag it up. Yep, that is what I want. So all I'm trying to do now is make sure that it is at the center and it is not covering everywhere, just in the middle. And okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to change the color to white color. Then immediately after that, I'm going to duplicate it because I want a black shadow to be at the back side. So you can see I'm duplicating it. Then this front one, I'm going to change it to black color, but I need this black to be at the back side, right? So I'm going to go straight to where there is position. Yeah, so you can see position. I'll tap on it. Then I'm going to click backward. So I'm going to minimize this white to make sure that the black is showing a little. Yeah, so we've gotten it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on text, then click on add heading, then type top 10 trending online skills in 2026. So the next thing I'm going to do is to drag it, then place it on the white part, and then after that I'm going to click on elements, then search for circle. I'm going to pick the blue one. So that's it. So I will now head over to text, then I'll click on add subheading, then I will type price 2,900 naira. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to place it inside the circle, then text again, then I'll click on add a little bit of the body text, then I'm going to type limited time offer. Then once I'm done with that, I'll minimize it, then place it in the circle as well. On text again, then this time around I'll click on add a heading, then I'll type what you will learn. So to underline it, I'm going to highlight the text, then I'm going to click on underline. You can see text again, then tap on add a heading. Then what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to type out the 10 digital skills. So once I'm done typing the first one, I will just duplicate it and then edit it, then type the next skill till the 10th one. So that's what I'm basically doing for now. Done. So the next thing is to tap on elements, then search for Facebook icon, YouTube icon, Instagram icon, and email icon that we can use to place on the design. The next thing I did was to click on text, click on add a heading text, and type bonus. Then immediately after that, I had to drag it down, then change the color, the text color to white. Clicked on text again, then click on add a subheading, then started typing the bonus that will be included in this package. That is what I'm trying to do. It's about 3 bonus, so I'm basically going to type them out, as you can see. Then I will change everything to white color. Then I'm going to click on element, then type frame. So I'm going to choose the cycle frame because I want to upload an image there. So that is what I'm doing currently. Now I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to scroll down and choose the image I want. So that's it. Then I'll put it inside the frame so you can see it's perfect. So now I'm going to rearrange everything. Now after you are done, if you want to add a watermark to protect your design, you just have to click on text, then choose the add a heading text, then type designed by me, or you put your name, whichever one you want to. So of course, we cannot leave it to be in this black color, and we still need it to be in a straight line, not like this. So I'm going to straighten it, minimize it and make sure it is in a straight line. Then after this, I'm going to look for a color that is a bit dull, not too bright, but at least somebody will be able to see. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on transparency and then reduce it and duplicate it, and then put it in 1 or 2 or 3 places, or maybe 5 places, whichever one you want, so that it will be kind of everywhere in the flyer, right? So that is how to add a watermark to your design. Next thing is to export it. So now immediately after this, I'm going to show you how to resize it. Remember we used a business flyer size, so we are going to resize it to an Instagram size without having to start from scratch. The length of this business flyer is very long, right? So let me show you how to resize it. Now head over to Canva again, then click on your designs. So you're going to see the design that it was actually A4 paper that we use, flyer A4, you can see. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on create, then type Instagram post, because we actually need it for Instagram post. Then choose 4.5. Then do not choose any of the templates, just the size of the Instagram post. Then select the business flyer we just finished designing. So as you can see, we need to adjust the white part again because Instagram post size is not the same as business size, so we need to make some adjustments again. Then you export it again. So that is how to change your flyer size if you don't want to start all over again. It is as simple as that. So guys, so let me show you how it looks like. This is it, and let me also show you the business size. So guys, that's how I was able to achieve this design. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that when I post my next video, you will be the first to be notified. I also have a separate video where I break down 10 powerful skills that can help you earn using just a smartphone to learn. So you can check it out.